Hi guys, we are going to set up SartajPhp framework with VS Code. Go to website SartajPhp and click on download. Then download SPHP disk and run the installation. Click on run. Agree, next, 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 and next, install. And finish. So when I finished, it's run the SPHP disk and open the default project. Now close Control C. So now we have installed SPHP disk. So we are going to set up now the VS Code. For the VS Code, go on extension. And then search SartajPhp and install. And that's it. Now we are ready for work.